Question 10. A. Write 62 as a percentage of 500. Okay. To write something as a percentage of an amount, the simplest way to do that is always to write something as a fractional amount first. So, simply put, we have 62 parts out of 500. You have a calculator. You can put this into the fraction using the fraction button on your calculator. 62 out of 500. Press equals. Again, if it gives your answer as a fraction again, remember to press the S to D button on your calculator and you will get the number 0.124. That is a decimal number. To change that to a percentage, you times it by 100 and that gives us 12.4%. Okay, question B. Increase 196 by 9%. There's lots of different ways to answer this. Let's go through a couple of the most common ones. If you've got a calculator, you should, I suggest, use this method, 9 over 100, because 9% means 9 parts per 100, times by 196, and you will get the answer 17.64. Remember, it's an increase question, so you need to increase 196, so add 17.64, and you end up with 213.64. Okay, so that's just one method. Another method, which is something I'm seeing a lot of students attempting, quite a few people getting it wrong, I suggest you use the calculator, the first method. But if you are going to use the following method, here's how to practice it. You'd say 100% equals 196, 10% equals 19.6, 1% equals 1.96. Okay, so if I'm trying to find 9%, I need to take my 10% figure, which is 19.6, and subtract a 1% figure, which would give me a 9% figure. So 19.6 subtract 1.96 again gives me my 17.64, and just as similar to the first method, you need to add that onto 196, your original amount, and that gives you your 213.64. Lastly, probably the quickest method for answering a percentage increase question is to use what is known as the multiplier method, and that simply means you need to understand that obviously you have £196 to begin with. That is known as 100%. If you increase by 9%, that's going to be 109%. As what we call a multiplier, which is basically the number as a decimal, it is 1.09. If we take 196 and we multiply it by 1.09, it takes us straight to the answer of 213.64. Definitely the quickest method, but the easiest to forget. So that's that question.